Hey Jeff, doesn't really look like I'm going to be able to come into work today. It is coming down out here. The roads seem very unsafe. As you can see, my car is completely snowed in. There's a Yeti headed my way, and boy does he look angry, so I'm going to have to deal with that. Oh no. Oh, this can't be good.
I'm Mr. White Christmas. I'm Mr. Snow.
Alright. It appears the cold miser has showed up. There's nothing I can do about that, so I'm just gonna have to stay indoors, and I hope all of you have a productive day at work and stay safe. I'll be praying for you. God bless.
White Christmas.